per the demand of we students. You are dynamically working with our demands. Whatever we say, you immediately do the things. You provide the material or you provide the Google Classroom or whatever we want. You are always ready to support the thing. That is very good. And one more very excellent thing about this FDP is all the speakers were very good. They have delivered their knowledge very good. So you can say I am only saying the good things about your FDP and nothing bad. Really, I did not find anything bad. Really, I am saying you. I didn't find anything bad other than sometimes the voice was some problem because of network or whatever issue. And one more is we can say that Zoom problem for some coding was there. Other than that, I could not find any problem in your FDP. It was really excellent. The timing or everything, schedule, that was really very good. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for your valuable feedback. I request some other participants also to share your feedback with us, then we can go for the photo session.
Hello.
Yeah, ma'am.
Hello.
Yeah, ma'am, you are audible. You can proceed, ma'am.
Hello.
Yes, yeah, this is Jayashree Taylor from Uka University, Gujarat, focusing upon the knowledge gaining part of this particular FTP. Definitely, sir, you had a good gem of resource person and deep learning, which is now the trend of the field of maybe research or even the education. You have so in a very easy manner it has been conveyed to the faculties. This has not only helped, this will not only help to the teachers of who are in this domain of digital image processing or dealing with medical images, but I would rather say that this has enhanced the research scholars and the confidence of those guides who are guiding in this particular domain. The questions were very precisely and to the point specifically answered, and that was really justified as to maybe it could be any type of the learning networks. And though it was related to healthcare or medical images, but you have also touched the horizons of, natural language processing, or participants have questioned you on satellite images or any other part. So that was really knowledgeful and instrumental. Thanks a lot for this particular beautiful 5 days learning. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for your valuable feedback. Any other feedback? And one final feedback we can take.
I am Dr. Nandini,
Yeah, ma'am.
Associate Professor of Computer Science Department from Pondicherry University, sir. First, I should thank the organizers for giving me these opportunities to be a part of this program, sir. Thank you, the organizers. Next to the organizing committee, I should thank our coordinator who is on picture, who is on contact with us, Mr. Arun. So I have to say a few words about you. So I learned how to organize, how to interact with the people. That is, though they are faculty or students, whomever it is, without minding about your time, how many hours you are working for a day continuously, you have given, even for tippling also you have given n number of times the same questions students are raising and we are all raising, but still you have given that reply for all. So no chance. Wonderful you have organized. I think that is the reason why we are all active from the day 1 to the last days. Sorry, sir. So I should thank being the part of this program. Next to that coordinator, that speakers. So here from the that is all days everyone has given to their best. So no comments about you have given in the feedback 2 things, which is the best, which is the least. We cannot find out what we given for the least point in that in all the presentation. So collectively, though with the motive of entering to know about the medical image details on deep learning, collectively from the scratch to the level of implementation and to the level of research, we have learned so many things in deep learning. Even today, he has given that is lying knowledge, that is wonderful knowledge on how it could be applied on different applications. So nowhere we are getting all these details on deep learning, sir. So really thanks for one and all and taking part of this program. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you once again. Dear participants, before going to the photo shoot, I will also give the Atal FDP procedure. We will start the quiz by.
எப்பப்பா
We will start the quiz by 2:30, and the procedure for the quizzes, you will be given with 50 questions, 2 marks each, 100 marks will be there. And for eligibility criteria for the certificate is attendance should be 80%, test marks is 60%, and filling the feedback at Atal portal is also mandatory. Certificate will be auto generated in the portal. You can download it if you satisfy all the above criteria. It will take minimum of 24 hours for the web portal to do all the process. So please do wait till the 24 hours. Once we have we should upload the test marks and attendance. We will be doing it by today 6 p.m. Once you have all complete your test, we will be uploading the test mark as well as attendance in the web portal. And I also request you to fill the feedback form by your login, which is available in the Atal portal. Please do log in to your Atal portal and give the feedback about the FDP. Once this 3 thing is done, the certificates will be auto generated and you can download it from the Atal portal itself. And now we will have the photo shoot session. I request all the participants. First, we will go by batches. We will take the first 30 participants. Then once the photo is done, we can go for the next 30 participants. I request all the participants to unmute your video. Sorry, on your video. Ms. Deepthi Batma Shaba Sharma sir. So please do unmute your on your video so that we can have a snap. Sharma sir.
Sorry, sir, no camera here.
Okay, then you can leave the meeting and join back after a minute, ma'am.
Oh, is it? Okay, sir.
Okay, ma'am. Nandini, ma'am, you can also. Nandini, ma'am, can you hear me? Okay, just a second. There will be a snap now. Thank you all. Now others, first 30 participants we have taken. I request remaining participants to on your video. I'll be posting this in the WhatsApp group as well. Okay. Next set of participants, we are taking the photo now. I request all the others also to on your video. Third set photograph will be taken now. Okay, you can mute your, you can off your video. Fourth batch, we will take it now. I request the few of them to off your video so that we can take others.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you, thank you.
We can go.
Yeah, ma'am. Once you can off your video, I will be posting the link also. Link in a short while.
I could not understand.
Just a moment, ma'am. It is done with the photograph. Now I will be sharing you the link of the test in the WhatsApp group. Sorry, in the chat box. You can take up your test. All the best for your examinations. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. link is posted in the chat box. You can take your test now.
Sir, excuse me, sir. Submission time.
Submission time is 1 hour, sir, from now. You can start your test. Yeah, we will wait till 3:30. You can start your test. Thank you all. Thank you once again from Panimalar Institute of Technology. It's indeed great privilege to host you all for the 5 days FDP program.
Sir, shall we disable our camera?
Yeah, ma'am. You can disable your camera and you can also leave the meeting. The link is posted in the chat box. You can directly take up the test. And the marks will be sent to you after evaluation.
Okay, sir, we can go for the test. Okay,
Yeah,
sir.
ma'am. We can all leave from the meeting. You can go for the
Okay,
test.
sir.
एग्जाम दोगे?